Assalamualaikum everyone.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, so we got 9 people right here, nine or eight something. Okay, I hope everyone in a very good condition. Okay, so but before we start our learning session for today, I want to know about your holiday. About your holiday. So can one or two person share with me how was your holiday? Where you went to? What is your activity? Before we start our class, anyone first want to share?
Can I try, sir?
Okay, okay, Afiq, share what you are doing on
Okay,
your holiday.
before I start the class, last night I went to the DK Barat event at my
Oh,
house with my uncle.
okay,
It
okay,
was
okay.
very fun event for me and new experience.
So Afiq from
There's,
Kelantan,
there's a
okay.
lot of new knowledge. Yes,
From
sir.
Kelantan, okay, 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 right.
Yes.
So anyone else? What you are doing? During your holiday, you went for a trip, another thing. Would like to share with the
Me,
class?
sir.
Okay, Acap. So Acap.
I don't go back home.
Okay, so where do you stay?
I'm staying at my uncle's house at KL.
Oh, so you are staying with your uncle, not going back to Kelantan, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So
Fortunately.
hopefully you have a nice day. So that's all I think for the session. So I'm a teacher, busy, very very busy. So you got class. Okay, good morning everyone. So hopefully you already take your meal. Alright, so we proceed with our class, our new syllabus today. But before that, I want to recall about our last class during the past week. Anyone would like to share about? Do you still remember we learned about integers, about fraction? Anyone can share? Anything that you still remember during our last class? Anyone? Other than Afiq and Achap? Anyone,
Aziz,
please?
sir. Aziz.
Aziq would like to say something? To share something?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. What do you still remember about our past class about fraction? This about
Uh,
whole number.
past class we learn about integer and decimal number, right? So
Okay.
that I remember,
Aha.
integer is a number that uh, no decimal or no fraction.
Oh, no fraction, no
Yes.
decimal. It's just a number right
Yes.
there, right?
Number, right?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So Aziz good. Aziz still remember. Okay. That's good. That's good. You are still in our class, right? So today, so I will proceed with my presentation. Okay, so this is what we are going to learn. Okay. Sorry, I already recall about positive, negative integer. We know that the positive sign is like this, right? Positive one. Then the negative kan, it's like a dash. Dash symbol. Yes. That's true, Afif. Okay. So and then we already calculate how to solve problem. For example, -3 plus 2 we got what, right? But we are still using arithmetic solution. We are not using calculator yet. Okay. For the next chapter, we are going to learn on how to use calculator. Okay. So for today, thank you for attending my class. For your time. So we are going to learn positive and negative decimals. Okay. And then number line representation. If we had time, we go through about that. It's the same, just like fraction, and then problem solving regarding decimal. Okay. So okay. I already talked about decimal. So anyone can share. When I say decimal, what goes into your mind? Anyone? When I say decimal,
It has a point.
okay, it's a point. Okay, come on, come on. Other than Afif, what do you think? Decimal is what? Uh,
I don't know, sir.
oh, you don't know. Do never learn before, okay?
Repetitive numbers, sir.
Wow, what? Acap.
After the point, it has repetitive number.
Repetitive number, okay, possible. Okay, other than that, Haras, anything to say? No?
No, sir. I
No,
don't
sir.
understand.
Okay, don't understand. Still don't understand. Okay, nice. So basically, we are saying about decimal, we are saying about point. You got point. So for example, I say okay, Haras. Okay, Haras.
Yes, sir.
What is your
Yes, sir.
height in meter? 1 point.
Sorry.
Your
Sorry,
height.
sir.
Your height in meter. 1 point.
1.6, sir.
So that is a decimal number. You say the words, you got the point. Okay. 1.6,
Yes, sir.
1.3. Okay. My question is, can be decimal is a negative number? Is it possible?
Yes, sir. It is possible, sir.
Possible. Okay, yes, the answer is true. Decimal can be negative or positive, but it cannot be zero. Okay. Zero itself is not a decimal, but if you put 0 point something, it come to decimal. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So okay. I want to ask Ali. Ali got in the class? Ali have?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Ali, I want to ask you. If I say my money is 5 ringgit, is it a decimal? 5 ringgit.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yes. The answer is wrong because 5 is a whole number. Remember, we just learned the last class. Okay. But if I say my money is RM 5.0 ringgit, so is it a decimal number?
Yes.
Why do you say that is a decimal number?
Because it has a point.
Yeah, good. So that is our lesson for today. Alright. So, I'm proceeding with the next slide. Okay. So, what is decimal number? Decimal number contain at least two numbers. Please remember, you at least two numbers. For example, 2.1, 1.3. Is it okay? It is more than 2. For example, 1.375. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, yes. More at least 2. More is good. Can be the number, both the number is same. For example, 2.2. Is it okay to be a decimal?
Okay, sir.
Okay, yes. The answer is true. It's not necessary to be the different numbers, okay? So can decimal start with 0? 0.37 something. Is it true? Is it can be decimal?
Can, sir.
Yes, okay. So that is the first part. Second is must have a dot symbol. Like this. You got dot lah. Dot. 4.7 is a common decimal. But for example, this one 1.22222. Anyone know what is this sign meaning? 222 and then dot. What is that?
Don't know, sir.
Okay. So this mean 1.2222222. It is endless number, infinity. But we cannot write down, right? For the whole of your paper, you need to write 2222222. So we represent with dot. Okay. This dot is not the point, okay? Not the point. It's just a symbol to represent repetition. Okay. So the point is right here 1.2 something. This is the decimal. Okay. And then it can be so pi. Pi we know when we push the calculator we got 3.1415789. So this is also called as decimal. Okay. But this dot mean there's another numbers that is not repeated. Okay. This number. The very long number. We cannot cut it. So we just represent it with dot. Okay. It cannot be fraction. Please bear in mind. If you find something fraction and get point, that is not valid. Okay. For example, you find 2/5.3/5. That is not valid. Okay. You will learn it in the higher level. That is a dot product. But in your level, that is not valid. Okay. If you see fraction and then point, it is valid. Okay. Last, it can be positive or negative in value. Okay. So before we are heading to our question, to our quiz, to test your knowledge, to test your understanding. So everyone can share with me anything problem you think maybe as far as our class anything you want to ask. You don't clear very like sir, I don't really understand about this part, sir. Anyone?
Sir, can I ask about the cannot be fraction one?
Okay, the can be okay. Well, which part do you don't understand?
Is it all number cannot be fraction?
Yes, okay. The answer is certain number can be fraction, certain number can be formed into fraction and then change into decimal. Okay. But we must bear in mind if the numbers is set in a form of fraction, is this not a point, not a decimal yet. Okay. After we change into a decimal form, that's we call it as decimal. For example, 1/4. 1/4 is quarter, right? Quarter. Quarter. But if we change, we can symbolize this as 0.25. True. After you change into 0.25, that is called decimal. Okay. Alright.
Okay,
so we are heading to our quiz. I need everyone to answer, and then whenever you got wrong, you please tell me. Okay. I want to record how many people got wrong. Okay. The first quiz is going to be pump. Sorry. I want you all to answer. Okay. A. I want Ali. Ali. So is A a decimal?
No, sir.
So the answer is true. This decimal lah. Because you got point right here. Okay. Ali got. Okay. Tak apa. It's okay. Ali can do better next time. Okay. B. Haziq. B. B is decimal?
No, sir.
Yes. Haziq is true because you got 2 point, right? At least
Yes.
1 point only. Okay. C. C. I want Afif. Afif can?
Yes, sir. It's a decimal.
So the answer is wrong. You cannot be in fraction. We already learned, right? You cannot be in fraction. Okay. So D. D. I want Afiq. Afiq right there? No.
Yes, sir.
So is D is a decimal number?
Yes.
Yes. Even though it got negative sign, right? So Afiq is good. Okay. So now we are proceeding with our quiz. Okay. Everyone is ready? Our quiz, Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you can prepare your
Ready, sir.
your marker or anything else. Okay. The first one. Okay. Try to answer. Okay. No need to calculate. Just think. Everyone done?
Dan
Done. Okay. So the answer is false. Okay. So how many got it wrong? Haziq and Haziq alone. Okay. Haziq alone. Okay. One person only. Okay. So Haziq need to improvise more. Second.
Wow.
Okay. Everyone is okay?
Okay.
Okay. So
Yay.
the answer is false. Okay.
False.
Anyone got the answer wrong? Afif and Afif alone.
Me, sir.
With Ali and Afiq.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
Okay.
please don't confuse. Okay, we got 2 point. See it clearly. 1 point, second point. So it's not a decimal number. Okay. In our syllabus, it's not considered as decimal number. Okay, next. So please calculate 2.23 plus negative 0.1. Is it 2.13? True or false? Calculate. Very simple arithmetic. I don't give a tough question. So for the first question, one only. Second question, 3 people got it wrong. Okay, I need to record this. Okay, are we done?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
so the answer is true. Okay,
False.
how many got it false? How many answer is wrongly? Haras, and then anyone else? Okay, Haras only. Okay, so that's good for you. So Haras, we need to just minus, right? Because plus and minus we got minus, alright? So 2.23 minus 0.1. Okay, really simple. Next, this is quite tricky. Okay. You may use your calculator. I don't mind. Use your calculator.
Done, sir.
Okay, done. Acap is done. How about the other S?
Done,
Alright,
sir.
nice.
Done,
So
Done.
the answer is 3.99. So everyone got it correct?
No, sir. I'm wrong.
So Haras again. So Haras, I think you must do the subtraction first, right?
Yes.
Remember we learn both must. You must use the times first, multiplication first. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So Haras only. Yeah, the others got it correct. Okay. Last question. Need to read a bit. Nurul go to the shop, buy a tin of biscuit, 8.99 ringgit. A bottle of water, 2 ringgit. 2.00 ringgit. 2 pack of snack, 2.3 each. And a slice of cheese, price RM1. So please add all the decimal. The price stated in decimal. Decimal only, okay? So see it clearly. Okay, come on. If you are done, you can say done, sir. And then we
Done,
reveal-
Done, sir.
Done.
Done,
Alright,
sir.
nice.
Done, sir.
So the answer is 15.59. So you all got it correct? No?
Yes, sir.
No,
Correct,
sir.
Okay, who got the wrong answer? Who got?
I'm wrong, sir.
Okay, why? I think you must pick this one, right?
Yeah.
Because you add up this RM's RM1. This is not a decimal number because the question say stated in decimal only. So no need to add
It's the
RM1. Okay. So the last question, how many got it wrong? Afiq and
Me.
Afif and Ali. Okay, got 3% got it wrong. So okay. I think that is all for our class today. We already covered about decimal numbers. Before this fraction and whole numbers. So if we have the chance, we are going to meet in other class. Okay, everyone.
okay,
Okay,
sir.
so before I end our meet, hopefully you enjoy the rest of your holiday, and until we meet next time. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam.
Salam, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.